Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Tech. So I have the iPad 8th generation which has recently launched this year, and we're gonna see the unboxing of it. Now this is the base variant, and along with this base variant there were other iPad models which was also recently launched by Apple, like the Pro version. Now this version of the iPad comes with the iOS 14 software upgrade along with the A12 Bionic chip. Also it supports the Apple first generation pencil. But the most important part which most of the people would like is that the base variant of this iPad starts with rupees 30,000, and I think this is the price which most of the people would prefer buying an iPad for their daily consumption of watching videos or streaming live videos. And also in this video we're gonna talk about why this device will be preferred by certain users and why this will not be preferred. So basically certain pros and cons that we're gonna talk about. So let's start the video without any delay, and do like and subscribe to my channel, which is Lifestyle Tech, and my name is Suham. Let's start. So friends, this is the Apple 8th generation iPad, and here you can see the Apple logo and the name written in the grey color, as we have taken the grey color iPad. Backside you can see that I have the 128GB and Wi-Fi only version. The price mentioned here is rupees 37,000 Indian price, but the base variant of 32GB starts with a price range of rupees 30,000. The box, as you can see here, doesn't come with a pull tab like the iPhone which comes in and so other device, but we need to cut open to see what all are there inside the box. So let's take out the plastic wrap and let's unbox the iPad. As we open the box, we can see the iPad, and let's keep it aside for some time. Going in, we can see the documentation, as you can see here, and some of the literature along with the Apple sticker. As we go in, we can see the USB Type-C lightning cable and a 20-watt fast charger. And the best part of this charger is that it can be used with your iPhone for fast charging. Now let's open up the plastic cover from the iPad. This is the iPad 8th generation which was launched in 2020. And the one we have with us is the grey color, silver grey color variant, or the space grey variant, which looks really beautiful. Backside you can see an 8 megapixel camera along with the microphone and a big Apple logo, below mentioned as iPad. Top you can see a power on button, a secondary microphone, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Left side you can see the smart connector to connect your Apple keyboard and stick your Apple pencil. Right side you can see the volume rocker button, and in the bottom of the device you can see the dual stereo speakers, and in between a lightning port. So these were the physical buttons. Okay, so the body of this device is made out of aluminum, and in the front you can see an IPS LCD display with a 10.2-inch screen size, and the maximum brightness can go up to 500 nits. It supports Apple Pencil Generation 1. The display is a non-laminated display. That means that there is an air gap in between the upper screen and the device, which is not present in other iPad versions of iPad Air and the Pro version. The display here is very good and has a very good viewing angle, and it gives a very high quality resolution for media consumption. The display is really good and bright, and it really gives a very nice view. Below the display you have the Touch ID sensor, which works as a fingerprint sensor, and it is quite fast and accurate so that you can access your iPad in a very quick manner. So the specification we have here is an A12 Bionic chip, which makes this device really powerful and fast. It also has a 3GB of RAM, which gives a good performance without any lag. The gaming performance is super smooth, and the games can be played without any lag, and the audio too is pretty loud. Here is a sample of one of the games that I have played on this device, and the screen and the sound really looks and feels good. let's talk about the camera. The camera, if we talk about the rear facing, has an 8 megapixel and can take 1080 pixel video. Front camera is in 1.2 megapixel which can take 720 resolution video. And this is the variant which comes in a budget iPad. Basically, this range of iPads are not for videography and photography. These are to be used for basic activities like video calling, document scanning, and etc. Best support you can see here in the iPad OS, which helps you connect with your external keyboard and mouse. The battery life you can receive here is for 10 hours easily for Wi-Fi variant. Now the final question, who should buy this device? So I would suggest it is perfect for students who are basically looking for doing their daily work. Though this variant starts with a 32 GB which can be a bit small, but it is not that you want to store your photos or videos. You can use it for your online classes and notes taking. But it is perfect for gaming and multimedia consumption. You can see big and crisp display and a very good sound quality. For office goers also, you can get a rich app support for Word and Excel, and you can use it for your daily emailing activity for office people. Now this is not suitable for artist and professional designer or architect or artist, as it will not give a good experience because of the non-laminated screen and an air gap which is present in the screen. So drawing in this device is not that comfortable or not that useful for the professional artist. So guys, I hope I have been able to explain you everything in this device, and I hope you have liked my video. Please do like and comment your views, and do subscribe to my channel Lifestyle Tech. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.